Hi, I'm Yvonne, and I'm gonna be doing a French beauty-inspired look today. Cassandra is with me today. She's a Bobbi Brown Global Pro Artist.
Yay! Hi, Yvonne.
Hi, how are you?
Are you ready for your French-inspired makeup look? Let's start off with our Hydrating Water Fresh Cream. It is a beautiful formula that goes on seamlessly, is perfect for your skin to prep for foundation. It feels amazing and offers 100 hours of hydration. And it's almost like a gel-based formula, but a surge of moisture, which is really lovely. How does it feel?
It's really nice. It's like very light, and it's not like, yeah, as you said, it's like more like a gel. Definitely feels really nice. And it almost like gives me like an instant glow, I have the feeling.
Okay, Yvonne, now that you're all moisturized, let's layer on a little bit of foundation. So why don't you put a little on the brush and then start in the center of the face? I always like to start in the center because that's where we tend to get most red anyway. So then maybe you use a little less foundation everywhere else. I also love that this has an SPF 20 and lasts all day, so you don't have to touch it up. So this foundation is great because it's almost like a light veil of powder, which I really like. And since Yvonne, you do have good skin to begin with, so you don't need that much texture anyway. So this is the perfect formula for you. I love this formula because it's super easy. You can throw it on. It's a liquid to powder and will stay on all day. It's not fussy. It's easy to let your skin shine through.
Yeah, and then like you don't need anything else.
Totally. You don't have to set it with powder.
Really nice subtle look without like too much coverage. It looks very natural and like leaves the texture of my natural skin.
Very French inspired.
Right. Exactly what we need today.
Let's get to the eyes. I love when you see these French inspired eyeliner where it's like effortlessly chic and it's like the tiniest little line or the tiniest little wing. So let's start off by just putting a little bit of a liner on your eye and then we can always smudge it.
I have here the perfectly defined gel eyeliner in pitch black.
Great, so just go ahead and apply really tight on the lash line and then you can always buff it out if you need to. Not only does it glide easy, it stays on all day. I love it. You can smudge it or you can keep it really crisp. It's totally up to you.
I mean, if we smudge it out, I think I have a good feeling.
Perfect, let's smudge it out. Make it easy, like we don't want to make it too hard. So to smudge it, I would just take your finger. You can also use a brush, but I like to use my finger and just smudge that lash base.
Might use the brush.
Nice. And what brush is that?
So it's the eyeshadow brush.
Whatever brush you have, if it has a fluffy finish to the brush, you can always buff something out. So use what you got. Gorgeous. Once you smudge it, it makes such a difference too. And you can choose to use your pencil just on top or on bottom as well, but never just bottom. So let's keep it on top, lifted and defined. Let's do a little mascara to finish the eye off and give a little bit of definition. I love our smoky eye mascara. Do you have that?
Yeah, I have that one here.
Great. I love it because it really gives a lot of volume to your lashes, leaves them fluttery, defines them, but also gives that beautiful black definition that you need in a mascara. This mascara is great because it gives maximum volume and no clumping. What do you think of the eye look, Yvonne?
I really like it. It's like very effortless and it gives you a little bit of definitions.
It's super simple. I love it because you only need like 2 things.
Yeah, and it's quick. Like it's not like a 50-minute eye look. It's like you can do it in 5 minutes and you're done.
Exactly. All right, so let's get to our last step, which is my favorite step, lip. We've chosen this beautiful luxe lip color in Parisian red. This is actually one of my favorite shades. So pretty. That changes the look totally, right?
Yeah. And
How do you feel?
I feel really good. It's like when you're in a rush from like work and you have to go to a dinner, you can just put on the red lip and yeah.
That's what I always do. I always keep a red lipstick in my purse just in case you want to amp up the look. It's such an easy thing to do, right?
Really nice.
Okay, Yvonne, I think this looks amazing. A perfectly inspired French look from skin, looking glowy, fresh, but still natural. A little bit of eye definition, some mascara, and a perfect red lip.
Thank you, Cass, so much for showing me this look. It was like really fun and so easy. Thank you so much.
Of course, it was my pleasure. Enjoy your French-inspired look. See you soon.